still trapped under rubble. How about another favor for best friend Nikolai? Wait, who in Lennon's name are you? Are you demons?
Promise me you won't get angry just because I'm a bit German. We actually need your help.
My help? Have you not noticed the giant dragon? Perhaps you should be helping me. One hurt in small amount. What? You did not expect shield to have fire? Everything here has fire!
This fire!
I am on spree! Spree of killing! Ashes to ashes, dragon. Perhaps you could bother someone else. I suggest Richtofen. I think we have made him more upset. Go!
Max ammo! More ammo?
Nikolai, the world around us is a fragment, a twisted alternate of what was supposed to be. We have found a way to put things right. We can end the war. We can restore peace. But only if your very existence is erased from this twisted history. A true Russian never surrenders! You will be father for my minigun! We are not the enemy, Nikolai. You will have to strike harder than that! You are lucky I have low on vodka. Otherwise, this would be real fun. Heat exhaust failure combining with body odor. Not good smell. You think you will kill me now? I am sorry, Nikolai. I wish there was another way. But know this, in my heart, I share the same pain as you. The pain that you have buried and blurred beneath an alcohol-fueled haze. Yes, the pain of your own memory. You loved and you lost. Everything else has been delusional fantasy that distance you from painful truth. You know what I speak of. You remember. Before the bombs fell. Before she was taken from us. Some things are forgotten for a reason! Ah!
It is done. The souls have been collected, Maxis. We will see you soon.
Okay, Nikolai, Dempsey, Takeo. I'm only talking to you right now. Brixhoven, he can't hear me, so he's probably off doing his own thing right now anyway. No change there, I suppose.